Chicken Chinese spring rolls. Ingredients. For chicken filling, 1 cup boiled and shredded chicken, 1 cup finely shredded cabbage, 1/2 cup grated carrot, 1/2 cup capsicum, thin slices, 2 tablespoons spring onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, chopped, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1/2 tsp black pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon oil. For wrapping, spring roll wrappers, roll patty, 2 tablespoon flour plus little water. Make thick paste for sealing method. Prepare filling. Heat oil in a pan. Add garlic and saute for few seconds. Add shredded chicken and cook 1 minute. Add cabbage, carrot, capsicum. Stir fry on high flame 2-3 minutes. Add soy sauce, chili sauce, vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Mix well and cook only 1-2 minutes. Vegetables should stay slightly crunchy. Turn off flame and let filling cool completely. Make rolls. Take 1 spring roll wrapper. Fold by